Good? Up? It's a delicate dance to get her set where she needs to be on the floor there. I'll show you why in a few minutes. A whole bunch of stiffeners inside that have to go on one side of the floor and the bin's got to go on the other, so lots of prying. Hey guys, how's she going today? Well, Antoine and I just got all these holes drilled, and he went for a walk to contemplate the decisions in life that got him to this point of having to drill holes for an hour and a half. But we got it done. Had to drill a small pilot hole and then the larger hole. You can see on the floor here, the bin goes on the outside of the ring, and then as I was saying, the stiffeners there and here and what make up the door on both sides, and those stiffeners go on the inside. So then you got to drill your own holes all the way around here. And now we just got to put all the bolts in and this bin will be done. And then we've got those two on the end over there. They only need 2 sheets changed. This one here needed 6. This is the really bad one. So anyway, we'll do the easy part now and put the bolts in, and then bring a little bit of gravel in with the tractor and the scraper there to make a pad, and we'll get another bin hoisted up and pulled off the old rotten floors. They're just old lumber floors, and the rats wrecked them, and then the bin kind of started to lean. And anyone who's been around this channel for a while knows that I haven't been farming for that long, and things kind of fell into disrepair in between when Grandpa was farming here and when I started, so those bins kind of got put on the back burner, and what started out as a lean turned into a crinkle in the sheets of tin. So I guess we'll get that straightened out, and then we've got that one there of Antoine's to do, and then we've got another 5 that we bought to bring home, find a home for. So anyway, one at a time. So this one's almost done, and then it'll be time for another one. One done. Bolted, siliconed, drilled, whatever else, fixed the door. So that's that one, and now the 2 more to go. So I think the amount of time we got left today, if we're not done the second one, we'll be extremely close. So what takes the longest is drilling the holes on them. There's 52 holes per bin floor to drill out, so, and then you drill it your small hole and then the big hole, so it takes a bit of time. That's the junk that we took off of it there. It's all bent up and no good for anything. There. That can go out in the junk pile out in the back. There's some bins that a tornado blew away in the slough there, so we'll just add to the collection. I guess, yeah, we got the duals off the 4640. We took them off yesterday for haying. I don't know if I said that yet or not, but I also got the seat back from my buddy who does the upholstering like that. He put new cushions and new fabric and fixed this armrest that was starting to come apart. 155 bucks. From John Deere, those cushions new are 850 bucks. So hell of a lot better deal and way better quality stuff than what John Deere makes any other replacement cushions out of. So anyway, let's square it up with that bin and get her hoisted up off the old rotten floor and start working on it. There's only 2 sheets on it to change. It's not as bad as this other one that needed 6 of them, so shouldn't take too long to do it in comparison. Wait for him to get out of the way so we don't squish him. Now we slowly but surely pull on it here. Something peculiar going on here. She's not lifting. Give me a second to figure it out. Got her figured out. The lever was halfway between on and off, so just seeing as how I just pulled it from the outside here instead. So anyways, that come up super easy because the floor is nothing but rotten lumber, so there. We'll let our faithful assistant here drive it ahead. Fuck, that's nice. Well, most of it's staying behind. Some of it's going to need some encouragement with a tapping device. There it is. There! Should just lift away or drive away now, I guess. What's that? It's caught there or what? Yeah. Caught on the ripples. Alright, so we got that one's all fixed up. So the big cat there is going to push that bit of pit run in, and then he's going to push this old floor out. And Antoine and I are going to grab that new one, but show you what's left of these old floors. Just nothing left, old plywood, and then the rats. You can see they brought up gravel and everything into it. Wood floors are okay, but nowhere near as good as cement or steel ones. The mice and the rats have a harder time chewing through cement and steel, so. Anyway, you can smooth that out and get this shoved out of the way, and we'll go get that other floor from out in the back here. Anybody want a good 1466? That's all that's left of it right there. Nice long axles. No takers? Okay. Lied, there's the cab too. You can rebuild that. Enough time, if someone wanted to. Don't know why you would, but challenge, I guess, if you're looking for one. Paint is nice on this one because it hasn't been exposed to the elements for the last 6 years like the other one. There you go. Roll your bucket back a little bit. There. There, big flying saucer. There, and then there's the last one underneath. We probably won't get to this one today, but we will tomorrow for sure. So anyway, we'll get that sat in place and get that bin sat on it, and it'll probably be supper time. So talk to you when we get over there. Put my foot against it again. Maybe. So, that's another bin done. We're gonna lift it and move it, so Antoine's just gonna square up our lifter. I gotta back up. Okay, I gotta back up, but they're gonna square that up and get it lifted and plunked over with the other one we did. And then we're gonna lift up the third one we've got to do. But we're not gonna do it tonight, that'll be tomorrow. So I guess that's where I'll probably leave you for now. And if you like what you've seen, make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Everybody else, hit that like button. And we'll talk to all you guys here in the next one. So thanks for watching.